Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Sanyo single deck cassette player and recorder to show you. The model number of it is S27. But before we get into it, did you know that you can get recordable cassettes ranging in times of 60 minutes to 120 minutes? Yeah, you may have already known that, but if you didn't, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your line input and output for recording and playback. And then you also have your mic select because you have a mic input on the front. To connect it, you'll just plug in your analog cable to the output on the back. And I would recommend using a system similar to what you see here, but this can work with just about any speaker. So we'll begin playback. So on the front panel of it, you have your power button right here, and then your record button for recording from an external source or from the mic input right there. And then you have your play button, rewind, fast forward, stop, and eject, and then pause. And then over here you have your tape counter, which you can reset with that button. And then down here you can adjust between the different tapes. You have metal, CR02, and normal. You can switch between all three of those by putting the switch in a certain position. And then you also have Dolby NR. You can turn that on and off. And then you have your record level. You can adjust the volume of the recording that you're creating, and then you have your phone's jack for connecting some headphones to it, and then the microphone for if you want to record from a microphone. And then it has a level indicator right here. It'll show you the levels of the sound coming out of it. That's pretty much all there is for this vintage Sanyo cassette deck. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.